how to send money from PayPal to Gcash. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to send money from your PayPal account to your Gcash account. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to cash in our money from PayPal to Gcash. So to do that, what you want to do is just go click on cash in right here. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So what you want to do is just go click on global banks and partners. And then after that, there will be an option for you right here to choose PayPal. So just click on that. And then after that, before this page pops up, after you click on the PayPal section, it will ask you to connect your PayPal account. So just connect your PayPal account. So it's really quite easy. And then after connecting your PayPal account, you can now cash in your PayPal balance just by clicking on cash in again and then just clicking on PayPal. And then after that, what you can do is to just cash in your money. So for example, I'll cash in this amount. And then after entering the amount that you want to cash in, just click on next. And then after that, just click on proceed. And then there you go. It says right here, your cash is being processed. So just click on OK. And then there you go. I have now received my money. So yeah, you're now done cashing in your money from PayPal to Gcash. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to transfer your money from your PayPal to your Gcash.